Alright, as y'all can see, motor's dirty, but Big Bertha has a problem. Look at my battery. Start it. Nothing. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did, because I got charged $126 to get my battery jumped. But I went and picked up one of these. Now watch how simple this bad boy is. Connect the red to power, this one to ground. It doesn't have to be on the battery, it could be on any piece of ground. Turn her on, green. And just like that, I saved me $126. Got Big Bertha running again. There we go. Too easy, y'all.